Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we're doing a little bit of a home repair. We just moved into this property and you can see that in the shower every time we would run it we'd basically end up having a bath. So we got out the tools and we got to work. Most shower drains just have a few screws holding them into place, so use the drill to get those out. And we found the culprit and the problem when we lifted the plate off. Yep, it's a good thing my husband was doing this job. It was pretty gross. Here, there's lots of tools that you can go out and buy. Lots of companies want to sell you a product, but all we did was make sure to get a sturdy, straight tool that had a hook at the end, and we were able to grab and pull out all of mostly hair, the dirt and debris that had been clogging this drain. Okay, so we're just gonna go through and pull it all out of there. There's lots of products on the market that you can buy, lots of chemicals that you put down the drain. They say they're going to disintegrate this, but honestly, we found in any of the properties that we move into, this is kind of a first cleaning that we're going to do and make sure it's working well. And yep, it's a little gross, but it's going to be the most effective to get it cleaned up and ready to go. So again, you don't need to buy the fancy tools that are out there. Grab what you got and what can work, and you can make it happen. There's really not a ton to this other than the fact that you want to make sure you're not pushing anything down into the drain, because then all you would be doing is pushing that blockage further down. So that's why you always want to be using something that has a little bit of a hook on the edge to be able to pull it out, and then moving that debris out of the way. And then we also want to be making sure that we're cleaning up that top surface there. So now that the majority of the gunk has been pulled out of place, we're going to use a little bit of water, get ourselves a little bit of a clean and see how it's working. Is there any other blockages that are there? Move things around a little bit, go back in with our stick and just really kind of fine tune it. Obviously that big chunks that came out would be what the blockage is, but it's worth getting a nice clean while you are in this point of having it nice and open and ready to go. We use a little brush here to really get it nice and clean, to reduce the chance of buildups in the future, and to give us a nice long longevity before we're going to have to do this again. So once you've got it all clean the way you want it, you got to get that drain put back on. In some properties, we've gone ahead and changed this by trying to make sure that we have one that had smaller holes so that hair and different things aren't going to be going down the drain and it's going to catch it. This one already had pretty small holes, so it was a bit shocking about how much had actually gotten down in there. And we'll be making sure to make sure that that doesn't happen again now that we are in the property. So got it all screwed on and we are ready to go. And you can see now no more pools, no more baths for our feet. Nice, clean, really quick draining that is happening there. So beautiful finish. So we hope this video helped you and inspired you to be able to take on some of these home renos and repairs on your own. Please hit that subscribe button and check out the other videos in our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.